To change your Spectrum TV app password, begin by opening the Spectrum TV app or visiting spectrum.net on your web browser and logging in with your current credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. In the app, tap the profile icon, then go to Account and finally Security. If you're using the website, select My Account, then Manage Users and Devices, and click Change Password. You'll need to verify your identity by entering your current password. Then, create a new strong password, ensuring it meets Spectrum's requirements. At least 12 characters, including a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. As of mid-2024, Spectrum rolled out mandatory two-factor authentication, so the system will prompt for verification via SMS or an authenticator app. Once confirmed, your changes will sync across all your devices within 5 to 10 minutes. If you've forgotten your password entirely, use the Forgot Password link to reset it via email or phone. Remember that the app's current version supports biometric login options like fingerprint or Face ID, and for devices like Roku, you can generate unique app-specific passwords via the Spectrum website for enhanced security. Changing your Spectrum password regularly, ideally every 90 days as per new FCC guidelines, is crucial for protecting your account against unauthorized access and potential data breaches, like the 2024 incident that affected 1.2 million users. Spectrum employs robust security measures, including AES 256 encryption for stored passwords and PBKDF2 hashing to prevent plain text exposure. Strong password practices are fundamental. Avoid weak passwords like password123 and consider using reputable password managers like LastPass or Bitwarden to generate and store complex credentials. Following a password change, all active sessions on your account are immediately invalidated, forcing re-login across devices, a vital security step to thwart hijackers. Spectrum has also integrated OAuth 2.0 for seamless logins and supports passkeys based on FIDO2 standards, moving towards a passwordless future. Always enable and utilize the mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an added layer of protection. By adhering to these security hygiene practices, such as avoiding password reuse across different services and regularly auditing your account, you significantly reduce risks and maintain the integrity of your personal data on the Spectrum TV app.